ADIA may bid for a 34% stake in associated British ports, and a new 303-kilometer railway will connect the UAE with Oman. You're watching The Daily Brief with Forbes. I'm Ramia Farrage. Sovereign wealth fund Abu Dhabi Investment Authority is reportedly among the parties considering a bid for a 34% stake in associated British ports that could be valued at more than $2.42 billion or more. Stonepeak Partners and British Columbia Investment Management are among the other investors interested in the stake being sold by the Canada Pension Plan Investment Board. Deliberations are in the early stages, and other suitors, including existing shareholders, could also emerge. Oman and Etihad Rail Company have signed a $3 billion cooperation agreement with Mubadala Investment Company for the development of a 303-kilometer railway connecting the UAE with Oman. The Oman and Etihad Rail Company was established as a joint venture by Oman Rail and Etihad Rail last year. Officials say the agreement will improve supply chain efficiency, boost trade, and provide rail transport for passengers and goods. Despite hopes the U.S. may avoid a recession, J.P. Morgan economists are warning clients that many indicators are still flashing warning signs. They say it's likely the economy and stocks will waver in the coming months, particularly since the effects of the Federal Reserve's rate hikes could take 2 years to ripple through markets. They say the latest stock market rally should continue to fade before the end of March, and this quarter could mark the stock market's high for the year. Microsoft has signed a 10-year deal to bring Xbox PC games like Call of Duty to NVIDIA's gaming platform. This is if Microsoft's $69 billion deal to buy the game's developer Activision Blizzard gets approved. Microsoft says its Xbox games will be available on NVIDIA's cloud streaming service for computers, smartphones, and other devices called GeForce Now, effective immediately. If the Activision deal closes, it will bring all Activision Blizzard titles to GeForce Now. When the crypto market suffered through the collapse of Terra and FTX and retail investors bought the crypto dip, whales were selling at the expense of these smaller investors. Those are the findings of research by the Bank of International Settlements. After analyzing crypto exchange data, the bank found smaller investors lost money as more seasoned investors sold their coins right before the steep price falls. The BIS says this trend is the latest evidence that the industry needs greater investor protection. And a 4-day working week is more productive for most staff and companies than the traditional 5 days. That's according to a new study. Over 60 firms in Britain took part in the 6-month experiment, allowing 3,000 employees to work 4 days a week while retaining the same salary. Productivity didn't suffer, with company revenue rising 1.4% on average. More than 9 out of 10 firms will continue with the shortened working week, or they plan to do so. I'm Ramia Farrage. This is The Daily Brief. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.